Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how to change the site title and tagline on WordPress site. If you launched your new website, then you should have a default title and a tagline. So I am Asad from wteach.com and I will show you how to do that step by step. After watching this video, you will be able to set your website title and tagline that will look more professional. So let's get started. The first step is getting into the WordPress dashboard. To do that, type the domain name /login in the browser new tab. Then give your username and password. And then press the login. Once you are logged in, then go to Appearance, then Customize. The second step is to fix a site title and a tagline for your website. Let's say I fixed WTeach for my site title and Learn Website for the tagline. Now go to Site Identity, then Site Title and Logo Settings. Scroll down. Turn on Display Site Title. Put your site title and put your tagline. Change the color by clicking Design, title color white, and tagline color is also white. Once you are done, then click on Publish to save them. Now visit your website. Here you are. The site title and tagline is successfully created. In most websites, they put their own logo instead of the site title. It looks more professional. To do that, set a logo here, get back there, and select a logo. Select Files, and then select. You can crop it. You can change off your logo size. So I turned off site title and tagline. In this case, the site title will not be shown, but when a visitor hover over the tab, then the site title will appear. Once you are happy, then click on Publish. Then visit your website and click on Refresh. The site logo is successfully created. Okay, now you know how to change the site title, tagline, and logo of your website. Now, this is a bonus part for this tutorial. We can set a site icon for your website like this. To do that, get back to the Customize, then scroll down and click on site icon. Select a site icon, then click on Publish. Then go to your site, then click on Refresh. As you can see, the site icon is successfully created. If you are new here, then please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get more tutorials like this. Give a like to this video and comment below if you have anything to say. Thank you guys. I will see you in the next video. Stay happy, stay connected.